This week we'll be showing you how to make a very easy and affordable chili recipe. Start by chopping one red or white onion, 2 carrots, a bell pepper, and a handful or 2 of mushrooms. Boil 200 grams of green lentils and start to fry your onions and 2 cloves of garlic. Add your carrots and the rest of your vegetables, 1 tin of chopped tomatoes and 1 tin of water. You can add a ready-made chili con carne mix, or you can make your own at home. If you'd like to add something extra like some fake mint, this is a really good brand that we use quite a lot at home. And once your lentils have cooked, you can just tip those into the pan, stir through and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander, fresh or dried. You can serve the chili with rice or nachos. We are keeping this to put in the freezer and topping with some fresh parsley.